Yo, you guys want to know how I built this sick guitar? You do? That's good, because I found these cool 3D printable guitar files online. They're called the Prusacaster. Anyway, I split them so they fit on my print bed. Then I bought this Telecaster-style guitar kit from Harley Benton. And it's okay, guys. It only took like 3 weeks to arrive, which is actually a good thing, because at that point I had all the parts printed and I laid them out like so. And after priming all the parts, the only really fun part was the funny powder that came off of the 3D prints. It really kept me going through those sanding sessions. Yeah, this next clip is a bit of a time jump. I had already done about 30 hours of sanding and bondoing and filling. I had hand rasped the entire joint of the wood body against the plastic. I had epoxied the whole thing together, and at this point I'm taping it, ready for another coat of primer before the final coat of paint. Now, I don't think people realize really how much work goes into smoothing 3D prints, but it is a lot of sanding. A ton of sanding. At this point, I had sanded most of my fingerprints off. Anyways, this is it after the primer coat. I decided after close inspection that it needed even more bondoing and filling because I'm a perfectionist and I hate myself. So after the final bit of filling and 2 coats of flat black paint and a coat of clear gloss primer, we are left with the final product, the final finish of the 3D print. It only took like 8 months to get there. And while you guys weren't looking, I gave the same treatment to the neck of the guitar, which came in the kit. I then started work on the pick guard of the guitar, which I cut out of a piece of acrylic. Now, this was kind of difficult to do considering the very unique shape I had to make it, but with patience and more sanding, I was able to do it. Now, to finish off the body of the guitar, I had to stain the wooden part of it. This was kind of a difficult process to get it look even, but I got it done. And then all that was left was to put all the components together. So the neck went on, the electronics went in, and then it was ready to string, which I was actually able to get done at a local guitar shop. They set the saddles and everything for me, and then it was ready. Anyway, here it is.